Hello and welcome to Medical Made Easy. Today we are learning the recipe of a powerful drink to shrink the prostate size. But before we do that, let's see what is the role of herbal infusions in prostate care. Herbal infusions have emerged as a reliable ally in the area of prostate care. Distinct from traditional beverages like tea or coffee, these comprise certain herbs acknowledged for their therapeutic properties. Utilization of these remedies can help alleviate symptoms of an enlarged prostate, such as urinary problems or, in some cases, sexual dysfunction. The power of herbal infusions rests in their constituents. Many of them contain anti-inflammatory compounds that can assist in reducing the inflammation in the prostate, thereby abetting to keep it healthy. Additionally, they often possess diuretic properties, which may improve urinary function. However, it's key to remember that while herbal infusions can contribute to prostate wellness, they shouldn't replace conventional medical treatment. Consultation with a healthcare provider before starting any herbal remedy is always recommended. Preparing a nutritious beverage for prostate wellness. Creating a health-packed concoction for the wellness of the prostate shouldn't be seen as a chore, rather an enjoyable and rewarding routine. The first step to this nutrition forward act is ensuring that you have all necessary ingredients sourced from nature that are proven to support prostate health. Among these are green tea leaves, pomegranate, lycopene-rich tomatoes, and an array of nuts and seeds high in essential antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids. Ensuring the freshness of these components is crucial, as it retains their potent qualities known to benefit the prostate. Once you have gathered your ingredients, the process is simple yet requires a mindful approach. Start by brewing green tea, acting as a base loaded with catechins, compounds known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. While the tea cools, blend the pomegranate, tomatoes, nuts, and seeds until you achieve a smooth, vibrant mixture. Combine the cooled tea with this nutritious blend to create a harmonious mixture that's heartening to both the taste buds and the prostate. Remember, the key here is consistency in preparation and intake to get the most beneficial impact. Begin by sourcing fresh, natural ingredients known to support prostate health. These include green tea leaves, packed with catechins, which are compounds known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Pomegranate, a rich source of antioxidants that can help prevent cell damage in the body. Lycopene-rich tomatoes. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to improved prostate health. Nuts and seeds high in essential antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds are some examples. The freshness of these components should be prioritized as it retains their potent qualities beneficial for the prostate. For preparation, start by brewing green tea. This will act as a nutrient-dense base loaded with catechins. While the tea cools down, blend pomegranate, tomatoes, along with an array of nuts and seeds until you achieve a smooth consistency. Once your tea has cooled off sufficiently, combine it with this nutritious blend to create a harmonious mixture. Remember, consistency is key when preparing this beverage. Regular intake will ensure maximum benefits for prostate wellness. Enjoy not just the taste but also the process of creating this healthy drink, known its potential benefits on your overall well-being, especially towards enhancing prostate health. How often should you consume the beneficial drink? The frequency of consuming beneficial drinks for prostate health depends largely on individual body requirements and the recommendations of healthcare professionals. Typically, 1 to 2 cups daily are suggested for maintaining optimal prostate well being. However, it must be noted that while these drinks contribute to overall health, they should not be considered a complete solution, but rather as part of a holistic approach to maintaining prostate wellness. It is essential to ensure that the intake of these therapeutic drinks does not conflict with any dietary restrictions or interfere with any existing medications. As with any health regimen, it's prudent to gradually integrate these drinks into your daily routine, allowing your body adequate time to adjust and respond to the new inputs. In instances of doubt or confusion, seeking advice from a doctor or registered dietitian is always beneficial. Monitoring progress, signs of improvement. Keeping track of your health progress is vital when implementing any new diet or lifestyle changes aimed at improving prostate health. Begin by closely monitoring physical signs. Even before you make the shift, it is crucial to have a clear sense of any discomfort, difficulties with urination, or other symptoms that are generally associated with an enlarged prostate. These initial observations will be your baseline for understanding any changes or improvements that occur over time. As you start incorporating a prostate healthy beverage into your routine, take note of any positive changes in your condition. Improved urinary function is one of the key indicators that your prostate health might be improving. This can mean less frequent trips to the bathroom, fewer instances of discomfort, or improved urinary flow. Additionally, a general sense of increased energy and vitality could denote enhanced overall health. Although these improvements may also be subtle or take time to become evident. Potential side effects and precautions, which are very important. As with any diet change or introduction of new supplements to one's regimen, there can be an unforeseen reactions or side effects when focusing on beverages for prostate health. Special attention needs to be paid on the possible irritations such as digestive discomfort, allergic reactions, or even interference with prescribed medications. Therefore, it is highly recommended to consult a healthcare professional before incorporating such beverages into your diet. Caution must be also exercised when selecting herbs for infusions, as not every herb is benign and some can have potent bioactive compounds. Careful research or consultation with a professional is necessary before adding any new ingredient to the mix. It's crucial to have regular screenings to monitor the effect of lifestyle changes on prostate health. Furthermore, any discomfort experienced during the consumption of these beverages should lead to discontinuation until you can be seen and examined by a medical professional.